Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how we can apply a material in AutoCAD 2025. And this is the shoe rack and I apply the wood material. So let's start how we can apply the wood material. To apply a material, we have to click on here, visualize, and here you will find the material browser. Click on the material browser here and you will find the material browser library, and here under Autodesk library we have so many materials. You guys can select the material as per your own drawing or requirement, and this is a shoe rack and I will select here a wood material, and you can see here this is the wood and these are the materials available under this one. To apply the material, we have to simply drag and drop it on your component on the AutoCAD 3D. I already drag it there, but it is not showing. The material will only show if you are in realistic. Click on realistic, you can see that the material is showing here. I will select this one again and drop it there. Same way. You can apply any material as per your own requirement. So here we apply the by-rich material here from the Autodesk library. You guys can change any material. Let's say you want to apply teak and drop it there. This is the teak material. Now in the foot below here, you can apply the steel material into the foot. Now click here on Autodesk library and select here a metal. Under metal, you will find all the materials. And here I will select titanium and I will simply drag it there. You can apply any material. You can change the setting of this material or change the exposure. For that, we have to click here on sun status, click on adjust exposure setting, and here we have render environment and exposure window will open here. Right now this environment is off. Click on here, the configuration will change. First, you guys can change the background color. Click here on custom, use custom background here, and here you can select solid gradient. Solid is single ingredient, and you can set the image. Any image you can place in the background. I will select here solid and I will select here a white, apply, close. Under image lightning, you can find these items are available. If you apply gypsum crater, it will change. It is looking dark. You have to click here on exposure and change the settings. You can make bright or darker as per your own requirement. Navigation bar is not showing. Click on view and click on navigation bar. You will find here and you guys can rotate. Again, you click here and change exposure. You can change the adjustment here. These are the settings available. Hope you understood how we can apply a material in 3D model. To change the material, simply select all, type change properties, and under this one 3D visualization, click here by layer or by block. I will set by block, cancel. The material will change to the normal. Even it is elastic, but we already removed the material. So in this way, we can apply any material in AutoCAD.